This nigga got the whole fucking Hollywood scared of him. Look.
Shout out to Lil RT. I'm sorry your family done sacrificed you to the beast. I can look in your eyes and see who you supposed to be. You slit remind me of my niece. Nigga would turn crazy cause I spoke on the way that you getting exploited by your people. 9 years old, rapping about getting your dick sucked. That can never be a reason. But tell them to smoke it, they won't smoke with me though. I don't got no issue knocking off a pedo. They send a threat, but with caution proceed, ho. Better ass gon' be dodging like Neo. You talking to me, bitch, I'm Robert De Niro. Forget about it, set your noggin to zero. You niggas is sick in the head when I feel get you right. What's poppin'? It's not a placebo. Any rapper that's condoning the sexualization of children can die in their sleep. Fuck Boosie, how you pay a prostitute to pull up and eat on your child? You a creep. And fuck all the blog they been posting, homie, trying to get you some views, promoting the fall of the youth. But I make a post going against molestation and Instagram made me delete it. This is Balenciaga 101, Kim K, Kanye West, T.I.P. This is how come all your favorite childhood Disney superstars turn free. What happened to Chloe Bailey? Why she cried on that live? What happened behind the scenes? What's the ritual they do when they run them children through the ring?